question regarding the twins, triplet, or identic more than two photo like this? Ya, banyak pertanyaan mengenai bagaimana caranya membuat foto kembar. So today we will give you the simple trick or tutorial how make it in Photoshop program. Hari ini kita akan memberikan trik yang gampang dalam Photoshop. So we only need the camera and handphone with the timer and also the remote to make it easy. Dan alat yang kita perlukan adalah handphone, kamera yang memakai timer, juga remote. So how to make it? Okay, we just start. Let's go, bro. We need to setting the timer. Maybe 10 seconds enough. So this is ready to take the picture. 10 seconds. Take different position. Now we copy this file into PC or laptop. Copy the files. Make new folder. Rename the folder to twins. To find the files easier and paste here. Then open the Photoshop program. Any version of Photoshop program we can use, not too much different. Open all files directly, no need one by one, just open all. The files will be open separated. Okay, we need to combine all files into one file only. We can choose one picture to become main file. I choose this picture to become project file. Click on another picture. Press button Ctrl A then Ctrl C, go to main file and press Ctrl V to paste it. Do the same process on all pictures. You can close directly after you copy the file into the main file to prevent make us confusing because we open too many files. We only need one file for our project. Then to move all pictures into one file, now we can see all files are in the layers. We can showing and hide the picture by clicking the eye icon. Now we can start to make the twin. Choose two pictures and hide the other one. Reduce the opacity number until you can see the both pictures and select the area that we need. to remove using box shape icon. Press the left mouse button and drag it. Release your finger. Then press delete button on your keyboard. Adjust opacity back to 100%. Choose the eraser button to remove strip intersection area between two pictures. Adjust the size of brush. Reduce the number of flow and opacity around 20 until 30. Press left button mouse and drag it on the strip area until the strip area gone. If the picture too small and not clear, to see the object, just press shift button. On the keyboard, press left mouse button, hold and drag it. Choose eraser button again and continue remove the strip area. We can do zoom in control using Ctrl plus and Ctrl out by Ctrl minus. If you want to see vivid picture by Ctrl 0. Okay, we finished to remove the strip area. Now I want to merging the both pictures. Choose layer command and choose merge visible. The layers merge become one. So we have twins here. We need to save the project. Now we continue to make triplets. Choose one photo again. Okay, choose this one. Reduce opacity again. Select the third body using polygon lasso tools.